Mastering the quieter moments. The use of hush down. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase in the English language, hush down. Whether you're a language enthusiast or a dedicated learner, understanding these nuanced expressions can make a big difference in your communication skills. So, let's get into the heart of this phrase and see where and how you can use it to enhance your English speaking and understanding. The phrase, hush down, is a colloquial expression used to ask for quiet or reduced noise in a particular setting. It's not as commonly used as just hush or quiet down, but it carries the same intent, to calm the environment or reduce the volume of noise. Interestingly, this phrase can sometimes have a more gentle or soothing connotation, almost like calming down a child or a pet. In casual settings, you might use hush down when you're in a casual setting, like when you're with friends and the group gets a little too loud. It's a friendly way of saying, let's lower our voices. With children, it's common to hear hush down when adults are speaking to children, especially if they're being noisy unintentionally. It's a soft directive that guides them to be quieter. In public spaces, in libraries, theaters, or other public spaces where quietness is appreciated, hush down can be an effective yet polite request to others to keep the noise level down. It's essential to consider the tone of voice when using phrases like hush down. The tone can change the meaning from a friendly suggestion to a stern command. Aim for a calm and gentle tone to maintain the phrase's soothing character. While hush down is not as prevalent, you might hear variations such as quiet down, settle down, or simply hush. Each of these can be used interchangeably depending on the context and the speaker's preference. Let's see hush down in action. 1. During a movie, could you please hush down? We can't hear the film. 2. When a baby is sleeping, please hush down while walking past the nursery. 3. In a wildlife hide, if we hush down, we might see the deer come closer. Practicing these examples can help you get a feel for when and how to use the phrase naturally. Understanding phrases like hush down is key to sounding like a native and feeling confident in your English-speaking journey. We hope this video has shed light on this phrase and that you're now better equipped to use it when the moment calls for a bit of quiet. Keep practicing, and until next time, we wish you a peaceful and productive learning experience.